do I say this? Let's go ahead and stop that there. Okay, that was probably the worst quality of a live stream I've ever seen, and ever since that, ever since Slight Risk Day. That was a video that was, I think 40 to 50 something. I think it was 49, 50. I don't know, one of those two. Oh, that was horrible. Is this tornado watch? This might be tornado watch.
Tornado watch number 120 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties: Hays, Texas.
Do you really have to make my life that miserable? God, no this. Wait, this doesn't even do Henry County. Crap.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number 120 remains in effect. In the evening, dust showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower. Broadcasting from the National Weather Service office near Nashville.
Nope.
This broadcast is in cooperation with the Metropolitan.
I doubt Shelbyville.
With the Golden Broadband Internet Services. Here is the forecast from Manchester, Tracy City, Estill Springs, Portrait, Bradyville, Murfreesboro.
Bristol is my only hope. Mute kid. Alright, it's alright, it's alright. That's complete. Alright, Austin's gonna be the main one now. Gotta switch, oh my god. Oops, sorry. Well, I guess I found it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sullivan County, southeastern Wayne County, and northeastern Pennsylvania.
And that was unexpected. Sorry about that.
Moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail.
Wow, interruptions. Very rude.
Trees and power lines continue to be reported blown down with this line of thunderstorms. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bushkill, McCann-Wixon, Blooming Grove, Poppet, Chapala, Matamoros, Tustin, Harley, Milford, and Oakland.
First alert in a while.
Houston County in Middle Tennessee
20 minutes.
until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At
Something like that.
7:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dover, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Ah, crap.
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dover around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tennessee Ridge around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cumberland City, Indian Mound, and Palmyra. Take
Oh, there's
cover
tornado
now.
warning up here.
Move to a basement
Where'd
or
that
an
come
interior
from?
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
It is a confirmed tornado.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
Oh,
protect
God.
yourself from flying debris.
Wow.